So this came out of a conversation that I had with a customer who was talking about their house and their value and the things that they did to it that improved the value and compared to their neighbors. And listen, the reason I'm doing this video is because it came out of this conversation that we had where he put a gutter guard on his house, and you know, that was worth a lot more money. And I want to tell you the truth and make sure you're avoiding these pitfalls. So if you watch this video to the end, I got a special bonus for you. It's a free gift. The reason I do these videos is so that you're avoiding the pitfalls that are costly and you don't make these mistakes. Even if you never use our team, I hope these videos are helping you. And if they are, give me a thumbs up or make a comment below and let me know. But hope you enjoy this, and we'll talk to you soon. And some people have painted their driveway and they actually have a little design on it, but you notice that it also still gets dirty. But that is not going to bring you any additional value. You're not going to get any more dollars for the $1,000 or whatever you paid for to get your driveway done. It's not going to bring any more value to your home when you go to sell. So the Ring doorbell that you installed is not going to add value to your house. You know, it might be a cool feature that you enjoy, but you know, it's not anything that's going to add any value to your house, any price appreciation. So if you have gutter guards, okay, a lot of people have these, they've installed them on their house. I got to tell you that it's not going to bring you any more money than a house that does not have gutter guards. It may make it easier for you as the homeowner while you live there, but I'm going to tell you that you're not going to get any more money for your home if you've installed gutter guards on your house. It's not going to add thousands of dollars to the value like the TV commercials say. This is the fact. It may not be what you want to hear, but in this video we're going to go through some things that'll maybe help you out. And when you choose landscaping, if you've upgraded with rocks for fire retardancy, a lot of people have taken the mulch or the pine straw or whatever might be there. You know, that is not anything that's going to add any value to your property. It's going to make it look good. It may sell quicker than another property, but it's not going to add value or dollars to your house. And something else that you want to look at is if you let your rocks, I'm shaky here, but if you let your rocks look like that, that is not going to add any value. You want to clean that up. And of course, driveways, if you haven't pressure washed your driveway, that's something else that you want to do. That's not going to add any value, but it is going to take away from value. Hey guys, we sell a lot of houses, and we go out on a lot of listing appointments, and my team looks and views at properties and gives property valuations to homeowners every single day. And some things that people think that are bringing value or adding value to their home are really, maybe in their mind it's something, but I got to tell you the truth, it's not anything that adds value. So these are the things that I want you to avoid thinking that if you have these on your house, you're going to get extra dollars for your house, because there is no value. You're not, when you go to sell your house, you're not going to get any more money for the house when you have these things. So I hope this video helps you, because this is something that we get asked pretty regularly. You know, the rocks look good and they're clean, but again, as far as adding value, you aren't going to get any additional revenue, any additional dollar for your house when you sell, when you replace the landscaping with rocks instead of the make it fireproof landscaping. So if you don't agree with what I have to say about this, talk to your appraiser that when you go to sell your house, if those things actually give you a value, and you'll find out that they don't. And you're also going to find out that you know, your tax appraiser or your appraiser for your house, they pretty much are going to be in the same thing. Look, this is what we do every day. We're pretty good at it, and I just want you to avoid these pitfalls that are costly, because you know, it's the things that I see over and over every single day that I want you to avoid. If you've done the curb edging around your house, it makes it look good, but again, there's something that you won't get any extra money for when you go to sell your house. The security system, so you got the cameras and all that stuff. We've seen people who have had ridiculous security systems with monitors and all that sort of thing in their house. Really cool, but again, not going to add any value. You're not going to get that money out of that when you go to sell. Might be cool, might be great for you to use while you're there. But just not going to get the money back out. So like I said in the beginning of this video, I got a little special bonus for you, and if you click the link below, there's a property value. No matter where you are in the United States, you can go ahead and click the link below. You put your address in and it'll give you a valuation. Now it's an online valuation, not until, you know, like a team member of mine has come out and seen your house is it going to be an accurate value, but at least it'll give you an idea. You know, is it time to sell? Is it time to move? Or, you know, what's the value of my house? And a lot of people want to know, but they don't want to get all that involved. So that's why I made this tool. If you click that link below, fill in the description. It's free. There's no obligation, no cost. And at least you know where you are. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Share it with somebody you know who can use it. Go ahead and, like I say, give me a thumbs up, comment below, or I'll see you in the next video. Hope you're having a fantastic day.